In this video, I'll show you 3 best ways to fix CapCut internet error on mobile. This video is going to be super helpful, so if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So for my device, if I open up my CapCut here, and if I open any of my project on the CapCut, and if I go to the effects section and the video effects, so you'll get to see it's showing the no internet connection for the different effects and other things. So how you can fix this problem is super easy. So let's get started. First, all you have to do is just to make sure that you have a stable internet connection on a device. And also, this problem commonly happens for the region and the country restriction. You just need to open up the Play Store from a device and simply go and tap on the search bar here and search for VPN. And once you have searched with the VPN, you'll get to see a few different VPNs are available. So you can install any of these from here. So I already installed this VPN and I already connect to a US server. So you just need to connect this VPN to a server where the CapCut actually is available. So if I open up the VPN here, you'll get to see I have connected the VPN to the US servers. So you can tap on here and you can connect the VPN. Now once you have connected your VPN, you just need to get back from here, and the very next thing that you have to do, go ahead and press and hold the CapCut application and tap on app info. And first thing first, simply go ahead and scroll down, tap on app permissions, and make sure you have allowed all the permission for the CapCut, and then get back from here. And the very important thing that you need to do, go and tap on connection method, and you just need to make sure you have select all this from here, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and mobile data too. You just have to select all of these from here and tap on OK. And the very last thing that you need to do is go and tap on battery saver and select no restrictions. And once you do that, just get back from here and then go and tap on clear data at the bottom right here. Tap on clear cache, tap on clear cache. And once you do this process, you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and force close the CapCut application from the background. And once you do that, you just need to reopen the CapCut. And if I open up the project again and go to the same place right here, and now you'll get to see all the effects are available now. You can easily access to all of these right from here, and this is how you actually can fix the internet error on the CapCut. I hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.